There's a kind of chip that lets you rebuild its circuits, like rearranging puzzle pieces in a video game. And once you do, it can turn from a CPU into a GPU. Sounds futuristic, right? Nope. This idea came from over 40 years ago. Back in the early 1980s, a chip only held a few tens of thousands of transistors. Designers obsessed over using every single one efficiently. But one engineer, Ross Freeman, had a wild idea. What if, he said, we build a chip whose logic blocks could be rewired anytime by software? Others called it wasteful. Freeman believed Moore's law would make transistors so cheap that no one would care about wasting a few centics. He called his invention Field-Programmable Gate Array, FPGA. And he was right. Soon, transistor counts exploded past 100,000, and FPGAs began powering data centers, AI, and self-driving cars. To bring his vision to life, Freeman co-founded Xilinx, today known as the King of FPGA.